issues are arising again between the Jamaica Premier League clubs and the organizers of the league, really scheduling of the games and the structuring of the overall fixtures. The latest saga involves Arne Gardens, who had a home game scheduled against Moulins United, only to have the game relocated to Montego Bay as part of a Monday night doubleheader. Arnett said no, they are not willing to give up their home game and incur travel expenses to go to Montego Bay unless they're gonna get compensated. Plus, it makes no business or logical sense for two Kingston-based teams to travel to Montego Bay to play each other in a regular season game. And this is part of the spiraling problem. More and more clubs want to play their home games at home, understandably wanting to maximize their gate receipts. So because the clubs are now defending their home games, it is discombobulating the television scheduling of the games at neutral venues. Listen, the PFJL needs to sort out this little hiccup if they want the marketing of the league to pick up.